Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today we're going to take a look at Block 9 of the Cascade Yarns Knitterati Gradient Lapgan. So Block 9 is a really cool textured knit. It's kind of a spin on your classic basket weave texture. You can see you've got welting going on here. It's created by reverse stockinette and stockinette welts, and then you also have these cross slip stitches going on. And by slipping stitches and having reverse stockinette and stockinette welts, you get this really great texture. I'm actually going to hold it up here to see if you can see what I'm talking about, because it's really like jumping off of the square. So it's really cool. And the stitches to make this are actually quite simple. It's really just a combination of knits and purls with a couple slip stitches thrown in to add the ribbing detail here. So as far as stitches, I really don't have too much to show you, but I'll go ahead and move this out of the way and get started on the swatch. Like I said, the majority of the piece is composed of knits and purls, which are alternated throughout the piece to get that welting. And then the only time you're going to need to do anything a little bit different is the slip stitches that create the ribs across those welts. So let me knit a couple stitches into my swatch here and I'll show you how you're gonna do that. Okay, so it's a set of 3 stitches that are slipped at the same time, but the thing you want to remember with this sort of slip stitch is that you want to do them separate from each other so you don't accidentally twist them. And the way you do that is you insert your needle into the front of the stitch as if to purl and slip it off. So you do that once, and then a second time, and then a third time. And your working yarn is still at the back of your project here. And then you're gonna go ahead and either knit or purl the next stitch depending on what the pattern calls for. So that's with yarn in back like that. And then the other way that you might encounter this, and I think these are just on the selvage edges, is when you have the yarn in front like that and then you slip stitches. And that pulls the yarn around the stitch like that. So those are the only 2 ways that you're going to encounter slipping stitches in this project, and those are the only special stitches that you're going to encounter too. So as long as you can knit and purl and slip a stitch, you can definitely manage this square with no trouble. Thanks so much for knitting along with me, and be sure to check back in 3 weeks for the next block. In the meantime, check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this one and product reviews as well.